Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I really hope that you are doing great. My name is Letitia and thank you so much for stopping by. Today we are going to do a homemade hair growth oil, and I just want to let you know that the base ingredient is the aloe vera leaf. So please, if you have it at home, go and get it now, like now. If there is one ingredient that you don't have that I have put in my oil, that's fine. You can really personalize this oil like you want. There is no official guideline on how to make this oil. As I'm saying, the base ingredient is the aloe vera leaf. In case you don't have it, it is fine, because the other oils and ingredients that I'm going to put in our little mixture are also good to be used by their own without adding any ingredient to it. The first thing to do is to wash the aloe vera leaf and cut it into pieces. You need to wash your pot and to put it on the fire. You need to pour out 2 cups of sunflower oil in the pot, but you can use whatever oil that you want. I am using this one because it is one of the cheapest one, plus it is really effective. And now you are going to need 1.5 cup of olive oil. Again, you can replace this one by another oil if you want to. Make sure to dry out the aloe vera pieces after washing them, because the oil can emerge some bubbles that can hurt you easily. You can let it on the fire for approximately 15 minutes, but not more than that, because the longer you let it on the fire, the stronger will be the smell. You can take it out from the fire, and as you can see, it is really moisturizing, which is what we are looking for, because moisture is the key to hair growth. Squish the leaves to have more oil. We have to let it cool because we are going to add way more ingredients to the aloe vera oil that we have obtained. I just want to remind you that if there is one ingredient that you don't have at home, don't panic. You can personalize this oil by replacing it by other ingredients if you want to, but the aloe vera oil must be the base foundation to this homemade hair growth oil. You can replace the oils that I am using with other ones, or just add more tablespoons of your favorite one. You don't have to follow up my measurements. I am adding many different essential oils because they are really effective for hair growth, and also they are easily absorbed by our hair. But I don't recommend you using too much of it. You can also pick just one and stick to that one. As you can see, this oil is easily absorbable. To avoid any type of allergy, I really recommend you to put a small drop of this oil on your hand and just wait until 10 minutes to see if your skin is going to react to the oil. If not, it means that it is safe to use it on your scalp. There are plenty ways to use this oil. You can use it as a hot oil treatment for your hair once a week, as a daily spray. As you can see, you only need 15 tablespoons of this oil into 200 milliliters of water, and just shake well and apply this into your hair every day, or at least 3 times a week. You can also use this twice a week to seal the moisture into your hair after moisturizing your hair with a leave-in conditioner. So it really depends on how you want to use this oil. I have braided up my twist 2 weeks ago, but you can see that I have a lot of new hair that is growing up, and I'm so excited to continue using this oil into my hair. I really recommend you to massage your scalp after using this oil onto your hair, because it is going to help with the blood circulation, and this blood flow will help your hair to grow like crazy. Please use this oil onto your ends because they tend to be drier than the other parts of your hair, so it is also important for you to nourish them well. And also don't forget to use this oil onto your edges. This oil is helping my hair to reach the mid-back length. You can also use this oil into your braids, so don't be afraid to incorporate this in your hair routine. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. I really hope that you have enjoyed. If you have any question, please reach me out on my social media, and if you want to know more of the benefits of the aloe vera, please watch another video that I have done on the aloe vera benefits, and you are going to see more information about this medicinal plant. See you next week, and God bless you. Bye.